guys, it's Lawrence back here from Tech Legends, and here is how to install RAM. No time to lose. First thing you gotta do is release the back hook. Just press on it down, don't be afraid, and the stick should pop up just a little bit. This is how you remove it, and then I'll show you how to put it back in. That is how you remove it. Same step on the other side. All you really have to do is click on the little tab there. It only goes in one way, or only comes out one way. No, two ways. I'm sorry. So I just click that out, and then just pull up, and then pull up from that side, and then pull up from the other side, or you can just get the whole thing from there. And now that you have your RAM sticks out, or if you purchase RAM sticks and you're trying to install them, this is how you install them. First thing you got to make sure is you have to line up the notches on from the RAM and also on the motherboard. Line up those notches, pull the black lever back, and make sure everything is lined up. And yeah, make sure they're pulled back, and then just set it down in there. Don't be afraid. Yeah, it's okay to put some force on there. And once you do that, now just repeat this step for the other stick. And this is pretty much the easiest thing you can do in the PC is install RAM. That's like the most easy thing to do. And there you go. That is how you install RAM. This is Lawrence from Tech Legends, and this was a quick clip.